Hey guys, this is Richard from Debaru, and in this video I'm going to be taking you through the Biz Profits affiliate network. Okay, so we are inside the Biz Profits website. We're not inside the network just yet, but we are on the website. As you can see, we can see the premium CPA network. What else have we got? Explore new rewarding offers and exclusive crypto CPA offers. Okay, so a bit of a crypto focus already. Top quality traffic. Okay, so this is more geared towards advertisers. Robust platform that provides analytics. Okay, high converting offers. Now this is more geared towards us affiliates. We do care about high converting offers, right? Data driven approach. Okay, cool. That's more towards advertisers again. So for publishers, high EPC and conversions, variety of international offers, exclusive crypto CPA offers, and timely payouts. Awesome, that's what we like to see. Why you should choose Biz Profits CPA network. Alright, at Biz Profits we make it our highest priority to help our publishers promote and earn as much as possible while continually providing our advertisers with the highest quality traffic. Our well-experienced team prides itself on our high standards for marketing excellence. Blah 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 blah. Okay, cool, we get the point. So they have 621 offers. They spent 4.8 million in payouts. They've had 3,546 publishers, so affiliates, and those affiliates have brought in 28 million clicks to their offers. So as we can see here, Biz Profits is quite an established affiliate network based on these numbers. Numbers do not lie. Cool. Join the best CPA network today. All right, awesome. All right, so why don't we take a look inside the Biz Profits platform. All right, so here we can see the standard dashboard that you're gonna get with every network. Not that it looks the same, but in terms of most networks, they're gonna display your clicks, conversions, payouts, sort of revenue straight away when you log in, because that's one of the first things that you as an affiliate would want to see when you're logging into your network, right? So we can see impressions, clicks, conversions, payout year to date. If we scroll down, there's like notifications on potential offers that we're running, which is cool. And they have featured offers, Bitcoin code. What else have we got? Bitcoin news trader. Okay. Evergreen profits, Bitcoin loophole, wealth matrix, online empire. Okay, I'm not gonna keep going because yeah, we get the point. So there's a lot of business orientated offers. So BizOp affiliates, this seems like a sweet spot for you. Here, what we usually displayed if we had data would be our sort of performance metrics, sort of a brief overview of what's going on. But let's take a look at some of the offers inside of Biz Profits. So all offers. Alright, so right now there's not many offers being displayed, but this is primarily because we are in a dummy account. So if I go to filters, I'll just show you what would you typically see. So when you're in this network, click filters, select vertical, and then you can then choose from one of these different verticals. So we've got adult, automotive, BizOp, casino, coupons, dating, download, education, entertainment, fashion, finance, forex, games, health and beauty. You get the picture. I'm getting tired. You can read it as well. But there's a lot of sort of different verticals that are available within Biz Profits, but they definitely have a focus towards BizOp, sort of crypto, potentially forex type of offers, which I do know a lot of affiliates who are making a lot of money through that, so 6-figure and more. But yeah, so if you're running in that vertical, definitely take a look at Biz Profits. So what else do they have in this dashboard? So we have the reports area. So if you hover over reports, you can then see performance report. So let's have a look at what that might look like. Okay, so we don't have no data right now, but this is the performance report. So this is your performance data, and then they have a specific report which is purely based on conversions. And this kind of tells you the time of the conversion, the offer that the conversion was linked to, the status. So the status could be, for example, converted or approved or disapproved or not converted or invalid. That kind of gives you the status on the lead, like if it's going to actually make you money or if it's been retracted and it's not a converted lead. And then it kind of tells you the payout associated with the particular conversion, which is all cool. Then there's a referral area. So if you are an affiliate that has a community of affiliates, or you have friends that potentially may want to be interested in Biz Profits, you can then potentially promote it and make some money off the back of that. So they also have tools, ad groups. Okay, so manage multiple creatives and offers. These are also optimization or apply custom weighting to your ad placements. So they do give you the capability of managing your sort of creatives within Biz Profits. Almost similar to a tracker to a certain extent, but with its obvious limitations. But that's quite cool to have inside the network. So they have a mobile app as well, which is cool. Not many networks have mobile apps, so that is definitely something that's on the sexier side for an affiliate network. Yeah. Cool. So that's pretty much the Biz Profits platform. Let's scroll down. So yeah, this area is just more about personal details, billing. We're not really going to go into that in too much detail. It's the standard stuff. But yeah, Biz Profits. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please drop your comments and your feedback. If you've used Biz Profits before, let us know your thoughts. Well, let me know your thoughts and let everybody else know your thoughts. If you've made revenue with Biz Profits, if you had a good experience, if you had a bad experience, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be producing more and more content similar to this, but in the future I'm going to be producing content around the campaigns that I run within the cash on delivery vertical on Facebook. So make sure you subscribe, tune into all the upcoming videos. Peace.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.